Fun fact, just because you have a job doesn't actually mean you're getting paid. So before we can talk about stocks or real estate or merrily eating off these streams, we need to discuss the first fundamental habit that you need to jumpstarting your financial freedom. Welcome to our first DNA on saving. When you get paid, where does that money go? I'll answer that. You splurge at the same store that you work at because of that employee discount, hashtag I'm guilty. You eat out the entire weekend because you can afford to. And if you're Leanna, you spend half a paycheck on makeup, to each their own, right? But then what? You do this week after week, paycheck after paycheck, but the question is, the million-dollar question is, are you really getting paid? The restaurants, your employer, and all those stores at the mall, they're getting paid and they're increasing their profits, but you're left with a donut that you can't even eat. Yeah, my dad jokes are gonna be great. And that's where saving comes in. Saving is the act of paying yourself. It is something to show for your hard work. It's your personal profit after all of your expenses. Don't get me wrong, I once didn't understand why we should save either. It seemed pointless to me to save for this future that wasn't even promised. And to make matters worse, Drake came through with this YOLO movement. You already know that. You only live once, as a motto, YOLO. I can even remember my mom always telling me to save for a rainy day. Then boom, it was pouring rain 2 days later and I still couldn't get the new 2K. But after trials and tribulations, okay, I'm dragging it. After a while, I finally understood the 3 main reasons that you need to save. You should have an emergency fund for unexpected expenses like a speeding ticket, family emergencies, or the cost to repair your phone if the screen cracks. Save towards a big purchase like, I don't know, vacation, a new car, down payment on a house. And most importantly for this community, saving is the first step towards building your net worth and making your money work for you through things like investing in the stock market or real estate or even your own business. Hopefully, one of these reasons will give you an incentive to pay yourself first.
What do I do after getting paid? Not that much. Yeah, let's go with the links. The lavish lifestyle was great and all until I realized that the money I was getting paid had everyone else's name on it except for my own. Then I decided to pay myself first, which made me a priority and spending just a little less regretful. Here's how it works. Realistically, decide how much to save from each paycheck. Here's a tip. Remove one habitual purchase from each paycheck. For me, it would be cutting my trips to the mall from 3 times to only 1 time a week. Comment something down below that you would be willing to give up. If you don't love yourself, at least save for something that you do love. I'm currently saving for vacation, but even when that's done, I'll still continue to pay myself just to increase my net worth. My vacation is in 10 months. 10 months? And it costs about $600. But I want to have the money in 6 months just to be safe. That's only $25 a week that I'll have to save. $25. Some weeks I'll save less or not at all. But as long as I'm maintaining it and saving an average of $25 per week, I'll be on track.
But Leanna, I still don't think I can do it.
If gas, gym memberships, or those MCM bags y'all love so much increase in prices, wouldn't you have to find a way to pay for it? Exactly. Do the same for your savings. Treat it like an expense so that no matter what, your savings bill gets paid. We know that it's impossible to predict the future, but we definitely want to be prepared for it. It's all about how you prioritize your spending in order to prioritize your savings. Pay yourself first. Thanks so much for your support. Don't forget that at 150 subscribers, we'll be giving away a $15 Amazon gift card. Details are in the description box below. Don't be fake. Subscribe to our channel. We're almost at 150, but we need your help. Tell a friend, tell a family member, tell a stranger, tell a random person. That's a stranger. Tell somebody to subscribe to our channel and help us get 150 subscribers. See you in the next video. And don't forget, guys, broke is a mentality. Let's make financial freedom our reality.